Wagwan peeps, kind of loud still, but you don't know your boy Jnel. Welcome back to our next video. Alright, so today is when I do a Q&A, and as usual I post a question on Instagram and on YouTube, but the amount of question I get on Instagram, I just work with the Instagram, and for a part 2, I just work with the YouTube community. You see me? So the first question, when are you coming to Canada? Big man thing of years, pan top of years. Me I tell myself, say, yo, Canada, they're my number one for the place they want to go. Like, Canada, they are number one. You see me? I always they are number one up to now. You see me? But honestly, through the pandemic, you know, me even sure. Like, my worst not sure. Like, back then, me never sure because, you don't know, me never have certain things to do certain things. You see me? But now that I'm sure, me still not sure. If you get what I say. So, Canada, see you soon. You see me? Even though I'm number one on my list. But see you soon, Canada. You see me? So let's move on to the next question. When you are bring the question them to America, Jesus Christ, this is our next place we need to go to. Honestly, this is our next place we need to visit. America. Well, may I give the same answer? I'm not sure. You see me? There's a pandemic out there right now. You see me? I'm sure so it'll make everything worse. You get me? I say so. America, you and Canada they on the same role. You see me? But I just say it go. When pandemic over, we see what go on. I wanna get updates. You see me? Alright, so move on to the next question. You should ask girl if they would go out with you and see what they say. Honestly, for that question, I don't know. I know my type of content that is me in terms of going out and ask girl this and ask girl that and what size this and that. You don't know. You have other influencers for that. You see me? But I feel like I know my, I know my basket that. You see me? I know my spot that I know my. When you get to me, I say, but me just try find some other word for like, explain. I know my thing that. I know my type of vibe. You get to me, I say, if you go out and ask girl this and that, I know me that. You don't know generally the Christian of YouTube in a way is because when I trick question I be things people them chat on the episode them, but you don't know. I know my thing that. You get me? So I left that for the other influencers and I like them type of video there. Alright, so I move on to the next question. What is your way or method to get the ladies? Honestly, I don't have a way or method. Or the method could be social media. Like, I can't tell the last time I actually walk up to a girl and, tell her my mind and them think they're like, something that I'm not do. You get me? I say, so every relationship I'm going to kind of forward from social media. I mean, social media, the new things nowadays is me, and you don't have to go out there and walk up to a girl nowadays. You just go by your DM and walk up to a girl in your DM. If that makes sense. Yeah, okay. No, I'm not sliding in the DMs. I walk in the DMs. You see me? Because in the street, you walk up to a girl, don't you? Slide, but I walk. You see me? But you don't know. For that question, there's social media. That's all I can say. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Alright. Icon is a tricky question, veteran. Been on the show 3 times. Yeah, man, you don't know Icon. Yeah, man, Icon are the boss. You get me? I say, like, every episode Icon forward, him shell it. Every episode, him forward, him shell it. You see me? So right now, I go big up Icon. You see me? Big up him old family. You see me? Big up Icon family. I just call it Icon family. You see it? Yeah, big up yourself in the Icon. Next question. Who is your artist? Honestly, Jnel kind of weird when it come on to music. You see me? I mean, there's not a specific artist I listen to a lot. You see me? But nowadays, you see me, I find myself I listen to Eze. Eze. You see me? So big up yourself enough Skilly Bang. You see me? I find myself I listen to enough Skilly Bang. You see me? Otherwise from like my brother we are artist Cash. Alright. People always ask, but know that question and a day another Q&A, yeah? You see me? But people always ask, Cash, are you real brother? You talk Cash we do music. Yes, Cash am my real brother. You see me? Cash am my smaller brother. You see me? And yeah, my brother, like real brother. Me not, people, when me say brother, I mean like brother. Like how people that say, yo, man, I'm my brother that man. I mean like blood brother. You see me? I know when I see the resemblance, the big old nose. I know when I must say that, the big old nose. Yeah. But when I see the, watch now, go up on Cash profile when a video you're done, and pretty dog nose. And safe on my nose, you see. Yeah, brother. Same nose. Facial structure. Well, I'm not sure what I want, but the nose dead, like it can't hide. You see me? So let's move on to the next question. Are you planning to give us short film? Give us a short film. I don't know what a clock a strike. I plan to do some short films, you see me, but you don't know. I'm a man of perfection. Like anything I do, I make sure say, you know, the quality out there. You see me, so I still wait on a few things for kick off the short film. But definitely short film. And when I start, people, trust me, now I stop. Quality, audio, everything, I go up. Top notch. You see me? So next question. When did you lose your V card? Honestly, from now myself, I never have a visa card. Me G. You see me? I don't have no visa card. Alright, I have a visa card. I do what I make. I have a visa card. You see me? From me get my visa card from Scotiabank, I use from day one. You see me? But big up yourself in my G, because I couldn't next way you talk. Because I don't want a man interested to know when me lose my V card. I know I must my visa card you talk. I'm a visa card. Yeah, man. Just big up yourself, my G. I know I'm a visa card you talk. But I not lose it. And if you plan to lose it, I not make you find it. Because I come like you're up to something. You're up to something. But big up yourself in my G. Alright, so move on to the next question. You know. Do you drink a lot? No, I'm not drink a lot. I drink once in a while. Is me like when we go party, we drink. Alright, to be honest, like we drink if I see something for drink. You get what I say? So if liquor put on in my house, I drink it, but not like every day. You get what I say? Probably drink some now, and the next time I drink some like a week after. But I'm not a big drinker. You know, I'm not a big fan of drinking. But you don't know me drink for all our vibe. Is it? Alright, so next question. Let me see what I'm going to say now. Do you watch Fry Irish? Yeah, man, watch Fry Irish. I mean, who no watch Fry Irish? You see me, I want to book up Fry Irish in Spain. You see me, one man have a cat beside me, I sell. And the man depend, Irish, $200 a pound. And I say to the dog, say, yo, what you matter about? But big up Fry Irish, man. Everybody support Fry Irish. I support all of the Jamaican YouTubers them. You see me? Roll is so easy. You don't know. Razor blade. Yeah. Pop that. Well, I have a problem with the dog name, you know. Dayu. Papi Jr. Dayu Papi Jr. You don't know. Tyreek. You don't know. Everybody else. Sing Zima. Everybody. You see me? Big up on yourself. And support every Jamaican YouTuber. You get me? Yeah. Next question. Are you planning to have a child? If yes, when? I don't know who not plan to have a child. You get me I say? But anytime now. Anytime now. You get me I say? Like, I'm ready now, but anytime now. Like, when it happen, it happen. You get me I say? But, of course, I'm ready for a child. I mean, who no want to say a mini Jnel? You see me? A Jnel Jr. You get me I say? But you don't know. You know, when it happen, it happen. You see me? Big up yourself in the role is so easy. Yours happen. I'm a bad man. I joke, man. But big up yourself in the G. Why the phone and stop take screenshot? But big up yourself in the role is so easy. So let's move on to the next question. Do you planning on taking a trip overseas when everything calm down? Definitely. Kind of answer that question already still, but definitely I plan to take a trip. You see me? But you guys will know when the trip go on. Is it? Alright, so let's move on to the next question now. Where can I buy merch from? The same place where you asked me that question. Same place. You see me, just DM me. You see me, Jnel official _1 if you want a merch. See it? The next color pull over. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see the camera screen, but you see me. So if you don't want to pull over, link me, only 5K. And for the people that say, why 5K? Come on, if you buy a plank Jesus Christ. If you buy a blank pullover, you pay up to 6 grand or up to 4 grand. You see me? And this is a merch where I actually, pay a company for do the pressing, you see me, with the logo up on the shirt and things. So it have to go for like 5 grand, the money there. You get me? Because it's not cheap. You see me? And if you're interested, if you know who do the printing and pullovers, out of the press, you see me, New Kingston. I don't remember what that mall name, you see me, but it build up and thing look really nice. You see me? Once you go in there, so America you go. But big up out of the press, you see me? You can go look on them thing on Google. But yeah, let's move on to the next question. How does it feel being an influencer? Honestly, I don't know how it feels to be an influencer. Like, I know how it feels, but I don't know how it feels because 90% of the time, I don't think of myself as an influencer. Like, I just live life, you get to me, I say, and I produce contents and I make people happy. I don't know if I get like what I try to say, but I don't really look at myself as an influencer, but I know I am an influencer, but I don't know. Makes sense? Let me know. Drop a comment, let me know if it makes sense to you guys. But yeah, that's my answer. Next question. Can you buy hold on. Can you buy me a plane ticket to go Jamaica? Me can't even buy a plane ticket to go Canada. Me can't even buy a plane ticket to go England or my mother day. Me can't even buy a plane ticket to go Canada where my well want go. Me can't buy a plane ticket to go Punta Cana. A Punta Cana, yeah? Punta Cana. I can't even buy a plane ticket to go them place there. You see me, but you don't know when I turn millionaire or rich, you don't know I can't do that. No problem. You see me, but I can't even buy a plane ticket right now because I can't even go nowhere. You see me, but I can definitely buy a plane ticket in the future. In the future, you see me? Yeah. But big up yourself, you know. King Zidis. Yeah. Big up yourself. Alright, so move on to the next question, you know. The longest you have ever been in a relationship? My longest relationship are the one I'm in now. You see me? But alright, let me explain. Alright, so the relationship I'm in the longest was 2 years. You see me? And that was like back then, I think around 2014, 15 and time there. To me now, my longest relationship is the one I'm in now. Even though I didn't reach 2 years yet. I still the longest relationship. If you don't get to me and say, yeah. Let's move on to the next question. Can we get some more vlog video posters? Can we get some more vlog videos posted? I enjoy watching y'all have days out. Definitely, I don't know. I always say, I'm going to do more vlogs. You get me? But I just not get the time for do it. Or we just not get to, go out enough to actually get some vlogs done. But you don't know, vlogs are forward people. No worry on yourself. Like, it's soon forward. I know 2 years I say that now, but boy, I might tell you. But the vlog, them soon forward people. Them soon forward. No worry on yourself. Them soon forward. Let's move on to the next question. Will you ever do another song association game? Yeah, definitely. Definitely, I will. Anytime soon. Big man thing. Next question. Would you ever throw or host a party? I've been hosting party. It's me been a keep party. Like me keep how much time I keep party? I actually keep a party 2 times when them contest the water. It was a water party. And each time I keep, trust me, shell. But I just one thing, after the party, I never really see like the profit. You get to me? So from that, I tell myself, say, I don't need this party thing because the thing is, you use so much money for like presentation and everything. But at the end of the day, when if you get back, whatever you spend, you not see half of it. You understand? I don't know if nobody else go through that, but me definitely go through it and it's not a vibe. But for now, I don't think I throw a party. I don't think I keep no party for now. I just bill and save my money. What I not have. But yeah. So let's move on to the next question. Will you ever do a meet and greet with Jnel Squad? Honestly, me the plan to do a meet and greet. No, not this year. Last year, you get me and say, but somebody show up where the person show up before the meet and greet even keep, which is Corona. You see me, somebody even get food, do nothing at all, but definitely will when the place like clear up, because I don't know, people have a social distance and anything there. And you know, it's not gonna be a vibe keeping a meet and greet in that type of vibe. That's not a vibe. You see me? So let's move on to the next question. Not a question, but I've been watching you since 2015. Your content is top tier. Bless up. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. That means I can't see you really watch from a long time for real. You see me? Because Jnel put out content when top content. You see me? Not brag or boast. You don't know I'm not brag and boast already. But you don't know. Big up yourself. Yeah. Next one. What's your love language? Do you know the 5 love language? Alright, so basically my love language is just being me. You get to me and say, you know, showing whosoever attention. I like, you know, give my significant other, you see me? Attention. You get to me and say, just ensure so them alright. You get me? That's basically it, just being me. Yeah, that's my love language. I'm not big on this love topic, but I definitely, you know, put out whatever I'm supposed to put out so that, you know, my significant other feel loved. You see me? That's just it. Yeah, I don't have much to say. Yeah, so let's move on to the next question. Oh, there's not a next question. So I guess that's it. How much minutes we reach? 80 minutes. Whoa, that video is a long one. Alright peeps, so thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Please make sure you like, you know, hit the like button. People, hit the like button. You see me? And make sure you guys check out my music video featuring Buhn and Bricks Gang. May I put piece of the music video right now so you can see what I'm going?
Yeah, that's your baby, that's my baby. Hey. You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no. You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no. You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no. You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby.
Alright, lovely. Don't tell me what you think about the song. Is me about the quality of the video, about everything, about everybody verse. I don't know, big up Buhn and big up Bricks Gang. Them Instagram I'm gonna up on the screen right now so you can go follow them. Is me. So big up on yourself, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching. And I'm out. Get your Jnel Squad pull over right now. Is it?